The benefits of moving from QuickBooks POS to Shopify Point of Sale. If you own a store, then you know how important it is to have a dependable POS system. QuickBooks Point of Sale was once a popular option for store owners, but nowadays more and more people are making the switch to Shopify POS. In this video, we'll outline some of the benefits of making the move from QuickBooks Point of Sale to Shopify POS. Benefit number 1. Shopify Point of Sale is more user-friendly. Did you know that Shopify is designed to be user-friendly, even for those who don't have much experience with technology? The interface is clean and easy to navigate, which makes it quick and easy to train new employees on how to use the system. QuickBooks POS, on the other hand, can be confusing and difficult to use, especially for those who are not familiar with its peculiarities. You can click the link down below to get a one-on-one demonstration of Shopify POS. Benefit number 2. Shopify Point of Sale offers better customer support. Shopify offers 24/7 customer support with technicians who are easy to understand, which means that you can always get help when you need it. QuickBooks POS only offers customer support during daytime hours, which can be frustrating if you run into an issue outside of regular business hours. Benefit number 3. Shopify is more affordable in the long run. First off, QuickBooks POS has a huge upfront cost. Then, each register costs just as much as the last. It quickly becomes more expensive as your business grows. Then, every couple years, you need to pay it all over again to go to the next version. Next, you have to pay for troubleshooting when something goes wrong, which it often does. With Shopify, you only pay one monthly fee for unlimited registers and all features are included, even support. This makes Shopify Point of Sale more affordable in the long run. If you're currently using QuickBooks Point of Sale for your store, then you may be wondering if it's time to make the switch to Shopify POS. In this video, we've outlined some of the benefits of making that switch. From better customer support to a more user-friendly interface, there are many reasons why Shopify Point of Sale is the better choice for store owners. Click the link down below to speak to someone about making the switch from QuickBooks Point of Sale to Shopify POS.